Nikki. I'm back again. Woo, woo, woo. And I am here with another DIY. So I've seen this online a lot. I saw it on Pinterest, and it's the Honeycomb like holders, wall candle holder things. I thought they were super cute, and all it is your popsicle sticks, and then you make like a little honeycomb. I did it in black so you guys can sort of see it, and you just keep lining them up and going around and round and round, and eventually you just paint it whatever color you want. I have black paint, so I'm just going to paint them black and hang them up on the wall and see how it goes. So yeah, so it's a pretty simple one. There's nothing too crazy with this DIY. I have my little pink glue gun, don't judge me. And so yeah, so what I'm going to do is show me making one, and I'm gonna make, I think the plan is to make 3 of them. I'll put a picture somewhere show you what it's supposed to look like, and then we'll go from there. We'll see if this is as easy as it looks in the Pinterest and YouTube and everything. Alright, so stay tuned. now done my beautiful little honeycomb artwork, if you will. I have it hanging up amongst all my various items. As you can see in the bag, it's kind of out of control. So I think each one takes about 100 or so, a little less than 100 popsicle sticks. I found that the problem is that it's very quick. As you saw in the video, it's very quick to do. It just takes a very, very long time to paint and get all in the grooves. And I think you're better off, even though it might be tedious, you are better off laying out 100 popsicle sticks on some drop cloth and painting each one individually and then assembling it. And taking the time to get a compass and really make sure that they're staying straight, because mine are not straight. It is an illusion. I got them as straight as possible when I was hanging them up, and that is what it is. And I have my friend Michelle have her artwork hanging up amongst it, and yeah, and I'm ridiculous because I have like a little Taurus right there. That one is a little Taurus candle that I got at Target, and I think the gold candle holders is from, I think it was a birthday present from Monique, if I'm not mistaken. But either way, so yes, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. It is actually it's easy, it's not hard to do, cheap, because all you need is like some craft paint, a glue gun, and popsicle sticks, which you can buy a crap load of them, and just assemble them. So definitely recommend it if you want to add something to your living space, and definitely I think it adds to this, because for the longest time that was just a blank space. I really had nothing in there, but actually I'm really happy that now I have that. I'm sure at night when I probably won't actually light the Taurus candle, but in the gold ones I have the LED, which I could probably put an LED on top of the other one, little candle in there. So because fire plus wood hanging over my head while I'm on the couches seems dangerous in my opinion. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Alright, let me know if there's something you want me to try. I think I want to try to make the jiggly cheesecake. I think it'll be hilarious to try it. I just don't have the the spring form pan. I pick one up and then try to make a jiggly cheesecake. And I've never made the fluffy egg whites before, so I never whipped them to stiff peaks. So that'll be funny. So, okay guys, let me sign off and you guys can go about your day. I hope you've enjoyed this. Okay, bye.